Hello students, let us move to the sixth part of the topics integration. Here we will study to find out the integration of rational functions which are given in the radical or non-radical form. These integrations are called as some special integrations. The radical form, it means what? If the functions are given as like this, a square plus x square 1 by 2. So these are, or you can write here minus, or you can write here minus here plus, and you have to find the integration of these types of questions. So these are the rational functions in radical form. Now, as you know that according to trigonometric identities, that is what? Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1, or cosec square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. So these trigonometric identities can be used in evaluating the integration of some special rational functions which are in radical form. Suppose the question is coming as a square minus x square all to the power 1 by n, or x square plus a square all to the power 1 by n, or x square minus a square whole to the power 1 by n. Then what to do? So here, from the help of these trigonometric identities, what we do? We take here x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. Similarly here x is equal to a tan theta or a cot theta. Again, if the function is given as x square minus a square whole to the power 1 by n, then we take x is equal to a sec theta or x is equal to a cosec theta. Here n is belonging to r. So while if you see in any integration these types of rational functions are given in radical form, then you substitute in the place of x as a sin theta, a cos theta, a tan theta, a cot theta, or a sec theta. You just see here x square minus a square, here x is equal to a sin theta, x square plus means a is equal to a tan theta, and minus x square minus a square means a x is equal to a sec theta. इसके अलावा हम नौ फॉर्मूला और यहाँ क्रिएट करते हैं. In this session we will study purely the theory part, and we will discuss the questions or the examples in next part, that is in part 8. So suppose we are taking part A. So integration of dx x square plus a square, integration of dx x square minus a square, and integration of dx a square minus x square. What should be the value of these integrations? So dear students, you should remember all the formulae so that while evaluating the integration of different functions, these can be helpful. These two integration may be evaluated through integration by parts, but I just request you to just remember all the formulas. Here the formulas would be a tan inverse 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. This is 1 by 2a log x minus a x plus a plus c. This is your 1 by 2a log a plus x a minus x plus c. Anywhere this log can be written as this is ln as you know that this log base dx is taken as ln x. So this is pure natural logarithm, and through in entire calculus we always use the natural logarithm. If this is part 1 of the functions. Now suppose the question is given as, let us take one example. Example number 1, evaluate integration of dx x square plus 4x plus suppose I take here 10. So what to do? You just break it this one in the form of x square plus 2 into 2x plus 4. This is your a square plus 2 into 2x plus 4. That is here a square plus 2a into b plus b square. So this is x square plus 4 square, extra 4 is here 10, so 6 will be remained. So this can be reduced as dx divided by x plus 2 whole square plus root 6 whole square. Now we compare. In the place of x, this is x plus 2. In the place of a, this is root 6. So integration of dx x square plus a square. The formula is your 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So what is the formula, what is the answer for this integration? So this integration of this question is 1 by a, that means root 6 tan inverse. In the place of x, you just put what? X plus 2, this is x plus 2 divided by root 6 plus c. So you see how the formulas are useful in nature. Now similarly in part B, so integration of root under x square plus a square, number 4. Suppose number 1, this is number 1. Number 2, integration of dx x square minus a square root over. Number 2, integration of dx root over x square minus a square. Number 3, integration of dx root over a square minus x square. So what are the values of integration in this case? So this is your ln x plus root under x square plus a square plus c, or here this is ln x plus root under x square minus a square plus c. For this one, this is a sin inverse x by a, sin inverse x by a, or minus cos inverse x by a. So this is part B of some special integration. ये फॉर्मूला आपको याद रहना चाहिए. जैसे पहला क्वेश्चन में हम लोग जैसे लिए थे, मान लीजिए यही क्वेश्चन अगर ऐसे आता, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dx रूट ओवर, सपोज आई एम टेकिंग हियर, that is 6x minus 5. So this can be replaced as dx root under x plus 3 whole square, यहाँ 9 होगा, और minus 5 plus 9, that means what? Minus 14. Minus 14 plus 9, that is minus 5. So this is here, you see this one. So this one is can be written as root over 14 whole square. So in the place of a, this is root 14, and in the place of x, this is x plus 3 whole square. So concluding this formula, the value of the integration should be, this is your ln x plus 3 plus, again you write down this one, x square plus 6x minus 5 plus c. So this is the value of the integration what is given in the question. So this is part B. Now in part C, so number 1, this is root under x square plus a square dx root under x square minus a square integration of root under a square minus x square. So this is part C. Part A, part B and part C. These 9 formulas are known as the integration, that is some special integration of the function which carries in the rational or rational form. So here, how to remember? Just to write 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is the bracket here, and you write x, x, x. Now same thing here, this is root under x square plus a square. Here this is root under x square minus a square. Here root under a square minus x square. Here this plus, क्योंकि ये दोनों एक ही है तो प्लस की जगह प्लस रखेंगे और माइनस, यहाँ जो माइनस है तो यहाँ माइनस रखेंगे और यहाँ प्लस ही रखोगे. Now you write a square in all the cases, हर जगह a square रख दीजिए. इसके बाद जो पार्ट बी में जो फॉर्मूला था उसको हम लोग यहाँ पर इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे. दैट इज log x plus root under x square plus a square plus c log, आप ln भी लिख सकते हैं, x plus root under x square minus a square plus c. यहाँ लिखेंगे sin inverse x by a plus c. So these all are the integration called as some special integration. तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये सारे फार्मूला आपको याद रखना होगा. सब फार्मूला को याद रखने के बाद ही इसके बारे में आप कुछ इंटीग्रेशन बना सकते हैं. So it is my request to please remember all these formulas of some special integration. In the next session, we will go through some examples, very beautiful examples. वैसा examples को हम लोग sort out करेंगे जो CBSE के क्वेश्चंस में पूछे गए हैं. और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि जो ये चैनल मैथमेटिक्स का मैं चला रहा हूँ इससे आपको फ़ायदा ही होता होगा. और बार बार इसको देखिए ताकि आपका मैथमेटिक्स का कंसेप्ट बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हो. और इसको सब्सक्राइब भी कर लीजिए और लाइक भी कीजिए और अपने मित्रों को शेयर भी कीजिए ताकि दूसरे लोग भी इसका फ़ायदा उठा सके. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.